It's a new 2026 Honda Civic Hatchback Hybrid. When you think of a hatchback, you think of fun. When you think of a hybrid, you think of efficiency. When you drive this Civic Hatchback Hybrid, you'll think this is your perfect blend of both. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.